Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, then sure you do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. Like I said before, if you watch my analysis that I did for you guys yesterday on GBPJPY, I said it that once markets can break this trend line, then we are heading straight to level of 88, 188. So with what I'm saying, GBP USD is heading to level of 188, by the way. So with markets, what market is currently doing is that we've gotten to this major level here, which is a major reaction zone here. So let's see markets push up from this our level. We should start getting that impulse move to the upside to a level of 188. That is for the long term. So for it to be happening, we will be having a series of higher highs and then higher lows. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, also higher lows. So series of higher highs, higher lows is what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY till it gets to a level of 188, possibly break it and head, possibly break out of this level, by the way. So our target is 188 on GBPJPY. Follow us on Telegram so you can get more updates from us there. You will find the link in the comment section.